Hi, I'm Lois Darbone, Church Ministry Leader for Q Place, and I'm excited about your interest in the 9 arts of spiritual conversations. As someone who's served in the local church for over 30 years, I know what a challenge it is to help the people who are sitting in the pews to discover how exciting it is to participate in the Great Commission, the mission of God here on earth. I've seen so many evangelism programs come and go over the years, and I've experienced the frustration of hearing things like, "Oh, that's just not my gift," from people in my own congregation, as though sharing the good news of the gospel were something that was just for a select few gifted people. That's why I was so excited when I discovered the 9 arts. These simple practices that Jesus demonstrated, things like listening, asking good questions, loving, noticing, they can be done by anyone, and they can lead to some amazing interactions with people who are outside of the church, people who are encountered every day by members of your congregation. These practices aren't difficult, but they do take intentional practice. And that's one of the greatest benefits of this easy to use material. I've been so energized by hearing stories from everyday Christians in my own congregation as they begin practicing these arts intentionally. I hope you'll join us for one of our upcoming live interactive church leader workshops. You'll get to see the curriculum for yourself. You can ask any questions and you can discern for yourself how it might be most beneficial for your own congregation or your organization. I hope to see you soon.